got an email. Congratulations, you've been selected for the $5,000 Bright Future Scholarship. To claim your reward, simply click the link below and fill in your details. What? Hindi naman ako nag-apply nito ah. But hey, free money is free money, right? Yes, ma'am. Hey, Aya!
Hey, Angie.
Guess what? I just won a scholarship worth $5,000.
Really?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Which one?
Pero wala naman akong naalala na nag-apply ako nito. They emailed me earlier today, so I filled out everything.
Hala ka! Ikaw man kami maghatag imong banking details.
Yeah, why?
Girl, that sounds a phishing scam. Can you show me the email?
Yes, sure. This one.
Look, the email address isn't from the university domain, and this link doesn't even go to the real Bright Future website. This is fake.
Oh no, what do I do now? I gave them everything.
We need to report this. Let's go to Mr. Rias at IT Security now.
Hey there, what can I help you with?
Sir, si RJ ba, na-scam. Nakakuha siya ng fake na scholarship. Unya, submit niya yung mga personal info including banking details.
So, ay kabala ka no? So, first yung buhaton is secure yung Gmail and student account. Second is change all your passwords karon dayon. And lastly, tawagin yung bangko. So, tawagin yung bangko. Ma-freeze nila yung account and possibly ma-recover mo din yung funds nga nawala.
Tanga ka na, sir. Uy, samok.
Ay kabala ka ma'am, normal rin siya mga gayon. Kani nga mga scam nagkadugay nagkamaro kuan taga adlaw. So kani nga lesson kani mas mag-serve as a lesson para sa mga valuable lesson. And ay kabala ka tabangan di ka nga ma-report na siya sa cybercrimes nga.
Aya. Aya. The bank froze my accounting time, so wala nawala sa ko.
That's a relief. You're a lucky one. A lot of people aren't.
Yes, magbinan tayo na gid ko every time makita og free money, so I'm running the other way.
Phishing is one of the most common forms of cybercrime. IT tricks users into revealing sensitive information by pretending to be legitimate sources. Always check email addresses. Don't click on suspicious links, and never share personal or banking info unless you're 100% sure the source is trustworthy.